What, there's no muscles?
No muscles, can't do it. Nate?
No, I can't do it yet after.
Your arm still hurts?
Starts to sting right here really bad.
Hold this. No, you got to get farther away. There you go. You never put it in your eye. Aim at the tree. Look at the two fingers. Aim at the tree. When you're ready, then you pull the trigger. There you missed the tree completely. Do we put the safety forward?
No.
It's not going to shoot until you put the safety forward.
Oh.
Fingers ready on the trigger now, let your aim. When you pull, you have to hold it still, making sure you're looking at the tree before you even let go of the trigger. You have to get a little close, a little bit more. More finger around that, because you got to pull that. Ready, set, pull it. Pull it, pull it, pull it. All right. Yeah, you're going to be good at this.